Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do kind of a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, and this is the look that I came up with. But if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe because I'm posting 1 or 2 videos every week, and also check out my Instagram if you haven't already. But yeah, this is the look, and without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so I am starting already with my brows done, and I did one eye to kind of figure out what look I wanted to go for. So I'm going to start my other eye by priming my lid with the Kiko Neutral Light Base. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use 2 palettes. I'm going to use the Love the Revolution palette, and I'm also going to use the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. So to start, I'm going to take the Love the Revolution palette, and I'm going to use this kind of red shade. And I'm going to pack it on the crease area, focusing more on the outer corner. And now I'm going to start to blend those edges. Above this shade, I'm going to take the NYX palette, and I'm going to mix these 2 shades to help blend that red color. I think that this will help to make that edge more pink than red. To intensify the red on the outer corner, I am going to take the red on the NYX palette. So now to deepen up the outer corner, I am going again into the Love the Revolution palette, and I'm taking this brown shade that kind of has a little bit of red glitter in it. I'm going to soften up a little bit in here with the red on the NYX palette. And now I am going to do a half cut crease, and for that I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. So I'm just taking a little bit of it on my hand. On top of the concealer, I am going to use this shimmery pink color. And now I gotta blend that edge, so I'm taking whatever's left on the brush and blending it out. And then I'm taking again the red on the NYX palette to kind of go over the edge. And to kind of even up both sides, I'm just going to take a tiny little bit again of that shimmery pink, just kind of run it over a little bit. And in here it's getting a little bit glittery, so I'm just taking a little bit of that brown color. And just a little bit more of the red on a fluffier brush. Okay, so to highlight my brow bone, I am going to take the big highlighter color in this palette. Then to do that glitter eyeliner on the crease, I am using the Kiko glitter eyeliner. And to start, I'm taking just a small amount. It's a little bit tricky because I have hooded eyes. And now for my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Kiko Lip Me Lots eyeliner. And this one has a little heart stamp that I'm also going to do on this side. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of black pencil on my waterline and some mascara. Okay, so this is sort of the eye look finished. This side I should have probably gone a little bit up higher with the cut crease because of my hooded eyes, but I think it's looking sort of similar, so I'm going to do my foundation, concealer, powder, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I have my base done. So I'm wearing kind of a medium coverage foundation. And for bronzer, I'm going to use the Freedom bronzer. And today I kind of want to go a little bit heavy on blush to be something a little bit more creative. So I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Blushing Hearts in the shade Bursting with Love. That looks like this. And I want to mix all of the three shades together. Really not being shy on this. Just kind of pretend that you got a really generous compliment. Also taking a little bit on the nose. And I'm also going to take a little bit of the edge of my forehead. highlight, I'm going to use another I Heart Revolution product. This is the Goddess of Love highlighter and it's in the shade Goddess of Love. It's this one that kind of has a little bit of a pink reflex. And I'm also going to be a little bit heavy on this. The blush is already a little bit shimmery. Yeah, I think that's looking very pretty. And now I gotta also finish my eyes. So I think I'll just take this red color all across the lower lash line and then blend it again with a little bit of a mix of these two eyeshadows. And then finally I'll do the inner corner with this highlight shade. Now, finally, for lips, I am taking the Kiko Creamy Color Lip Liner in the shade 314 and the Kiko Lip Milots lipstick in the shade 04. That is kind of a deep red color. Okay, so this is the finished look. And by the way, I dyed my hair pink with the L'Oreal Colorista Washout in Hot Pink. This is how hot pink it gets, but I actually also love it when it kind of washes out and is more of a blush pink. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what do you think of this look and what will you be doing on Valentine's Day. Me and my fiance are probably going to stay home, have some at-home dinner, watch a movie, stuff our face with popcorn, something like that. And if you like this video, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. And that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!